Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make paper roses, and the materials we require are some squared colored paper. The bigger the rose you require, the bigger the square paper you need. So let's start off. Let's fold the paper into half. Let's fold this further into a half. Open this. We'll make these two. Let's make these 2 points meet.
Okay.
Now we'll make these 2 points meet. Now let's fold it inwards. And fold this in. That is this squared paper. We're going to push in this side of the paper. So push it in. It is square paper, and we're pushing this in. So it's going to look something like a triangle. Let's fold this triangle into half, and we'll do the same on the other side. Let's further fold this triangle into half. Let's do the same with this triangle too. And we'll open this up and fold it to form a square. So it is the paper that looks like this is going to be opened up and pressed down. Let's do the same on the other side. Now turn the paper and do the same. Now let's fold this triangle inwards, and when you put it down like this, it would look something like this. And there are 2 papers on either side. Pick this paper up. We're picking this paper, and let's fold it this way. Now do the same with this paper. Fold it. Now flip it over and make this stand. Pick one side and fold it along this line. Pick this side and fold it along this line. We're picking this and folding it along this line. Now let's pick this one. Let's leave one behind. We'll pick the other one and fold it inwards. So hold the paper like this. Hold the pointed edge and just twist. Okay, do it once or twice until you get a circle in the middle.
Okay.
And now for the outer petals, just curl them outwards. Just roll it outwards. Do the same with the other main 4 petals.
Same with this petal.
You can use a pencil to do this, and keep turning it until it becomes more compact. And any of the pointy edges can also be flopped inside. Just roll them out.
And let it set.
And here we go. We're done with making paper origami roses. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. Be creative. Thank you.